A very good morning to all of you students. I hope you all are very well. So, without any delay, let us begin with the geography chapter number 1, and the name of this chapter is environment. I hope you must have some idea that what is environment is all about. What? You don't have? Don't know about it? Oh, don't worry. I am there to help you out, okay? So, let's begin with this chapter. So on your screen, you can see some plants, a miniature model of our Earth and the land. So now can you just tell me that what is environment is all about? Just give it a try. Don't worry. At least you will boost up with your knowledge. Okay, don't know? I'll tell you. Environment. What is environment? The surroundings and the condition which influences the existence and the growth of plants, animal and human beings of that place. Or you can say our the surroundings in which human beings lives and the condition which influences the existence of the all life form of the on the earth is known as environment, and we can classify the environment in two parts, that is natural and human environment. So here on your screen on the left side you can see the natural environment where you will see some mountains, some plants, river, rocks. Okay, and on the right side of your screen you can see the human made environment, means it is being created by the humans. You can see the many big buildings, some roads, some gardens, some houses. Okay, so on the left it is natural environment, and on the right it is the human made environment or human environment. You will find different environment at different places. Physical or biological environment, it varies or it is different from place to place. That is, if you will see the natural environment of the desert, it is very different from the equatorial or tundra region. Means in desert you will find very less vegetation, and on that equatorial or tundra region you will find more vegetation, means more plants, and the environment keeps on changing because there is change in physical and biological environment. And you can see the rate of change can be slow or very fast. Like it is been said that the the Sahara Desert, where it is in northern Africa, many years ago it was a sea, but due to time change, the sea dried up, and now you can see the sand dunes there. Okay, so it is the rate of change. You can understand from it. Human environment consists of human beings, means we as a people, their creation means like what humans have created and their social, economical, religious, political condition in which they or the humans live. Ecological system, or also known as ecosystem. What is ecosystem is all about? It is a combination or it is a group of all living beings like plants, animals and human beings, and the physical environment in which they live. Means what is ecosystem? The combination of all life forms and the place in which they live. They are in all these life forms, they are interdependent on each other. Okay, like herbivorous animals they eat plants, carnivorous animals they eat other animals, human eat plants and animals also. So they are all interdependent in these. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight or photosynthesis, and these plants then they are being eaten by birds and animals. They are the primary consumer. Okay? The birds and animals that feed or that eat other birds and animals, they are the secondary consumers. And you have seen when the dead plants and animals are broken by fungi, bacteria, and they are also known as the decomposer. Means they used to or they help to decompose the dead remains of plants and animals. Okay? So here you can see the ecosystem where are there some plants, animals, fishes, water source. They all are interdependent with each other. Natural environment, importance, and impact. So all the human beings, animals, and plants, they are influenced by the natural environment. Or natural environment is created by the nature without any disturbance or intervention of living beings. Region with favorable environment such as fertile land, pleasant good climate, developed means of transport and communication, they are very densely populated. As environment, it provides all the basic necessities like air to breathe, food to eat, water to drink, and land to live. Also, the natural environment provides resources like plant, fuel, wood, minerals, and energy to humans. And it supports industrial activities or factories by providing different raw materials like for furniture industry the wood is being provided by the natural environment. And if we use the natural resources in a bad way or in irrational ways, so it will deplete or it will eventually finish the natural environment. So we must utilize the our natural resources in a good manner so that we could protect our environment. Human influences the environment. How human is affecting the environment? The reckless cutting or the continuous cutting down of trees, it causes the depletion of oxygen or the lower level of oxygen in atmosphere. And the oxygen, if it get lower, then we will have a problem in breathing because oxygen is very helpful for supporting the life. And if we use the mineral wealth indiscriminately or in a bad manner, so it will eventually get depleted or over in the future. And the resources, the natural resources takes a lot of time to regenerate them. So we must not use mineral wealth in a bad manner. Okay. So the scenes like this, like cutting of trees, more and more pollution, the burning down of forests, and wa- throwing the waste material in river, it must be avoided because it have a negative impact on our environment. So with this, here comes the end of part 1. I hope you have understood this part. In the next part, we will continue with this. Till then, take care and thank you very much.